Hello, I'll be doing vector questions for some vector will be application for test prep. It's the same one I did before on circle theorems. This test is on circle theorems and vectors. And so the question I'm gonna do is so here's a scenario. A smuggler's vessel ship S is detected off coast. Its initial position is so S, right? S, the initial position is 10I plus 24J kilometers, and it is attempting to escape by traveling with a constant velocity v vs, so the velocity equals 7I take 7J kilometers per hour. So I can just write 7 time, because it's velocity, take 7 times J. And the Coast Guard cutter ship C is launched from the origin. So I'm gonna write C first. The origin is just 0I plus 0J, and the cutter's engine can maintain a maximum constant speed at exactly 13 kilometers an hour. So speed 13 kilometers an hour, and the captain must set a constant velocity to xti plus ytj to perfectly intercept the with ship S. So write down so for part A of this, says to write down the expression for the Coast Guard's velocity component x and y purely in terms of time in hours at which the intercept occurs. At the interception there, yeah, that's it. So basically when they intersect, their position vectors should be the same. And these two are already position vectors, so I can just say that 10I plus 24J plus 7TI take 7TJ equals XTI plus ITJ. Now I only want X and Y. So that just means X plus I plus yj will just be equal 10 over t, and then plus 7I and 24 over t plus take 7j. That's it. For part B, it asks us that using the fact that the Coast Guard travels at a speed of exactly 13 kilometers an hour, construct an equation in terms of t by using algebraic substitution u equals 1 over t to prove that intercept condition simplifies exactly to a quadratic equation. Well, that's what we're supposed to get. So we can just do it from scratch. So this is the component for the actual speed. So and that will equal 13. So we can use Pythagoras. So it just becomes 13 squared equals 10 over t plus 7 squared plus 24 over t minus 7 squared. So that's 169 equals, actually no, it says to, we can use let u equals 1 over t, right? As that's what they want us to do. So we can rewrite that. So it becomes 13 squared, which is just 169 equals 10u plus 7 squared plus 24u minus 7 squared, and that just becomes 179 equals 100u squared plus 114 u plus 49 plus 24 squared, 24, 16, 1, 9, 8, 4, 6, 7, 5, 5, 7, 6, u squared take, that would be 14 times 24. Well, 14, yeah. 16, 9, 24, so 6, 3, 3, 3, 3, 6u plus 49. And that should make 100 plus 5, so 676 u squared. Take, that would be 196 u and plus 49, 80, 98. I have to subtract that. So it becomes 61. Wait, yeah? No, 71. 71 equals 0. Yep. And that is the sum. That is what they got as well in part B, as they are given that, but we can just do it on our own. That's the answer for part B. And for part C, it says hence determine the exact time it takes to intercept the time t to intercept the smuggler and write down the exact velocity vector of the Coast Guard must steer. So to find the exact time to intercept the smuggler, we can just use this equation. So 676 u squared take 196 u plus 71 equals 0. And we can make the u back to t, so as u equals 1 over t, so it just becomes 6, 1 over t. T, actually, no, we'll use t first because we have to find the turning point anyways. So let's say turning point, or the x value of that is negative 1, 6 over. Actually, no, no, we're not finding turning point. We're finding the actual result. So we want to find what u is, right? Yeah, we want to find what u is. So u equals 196. So negative b plus or minus square root b squared take 4ac over 2a. So that equals 6 plus or minus 196, 3. That's 10691. That's just 6, 1, 8, 14, 8, 3. 38416 take 4ac. Let's do that. 14428 28284 Yep, and that's 12, and that's 15, 13, 4, 8, 8, 7, 9, that's 10, that's 9, that's 1. Well, oh, wait. It should not be plus 71, it should be minus 71. So that means just plus 190984 equal 2 times 6 and 6 times 2 is 12, 5, 3, 1, 3, 5, 2. This should just equal 196 plus or minus. Oh, that would be 10, 0, 0. That would be 3, but we use 4. And there's a 1, there's a 9. That should be a 3, and that should be a 2. We can't do that by hand. And that wait. So it should be 196 squared. Take 4 times 71 times negative. We are off by a bit. Should be 230400, and that would get us to 196 plus or minus 4801352, and we will reject minusing, because if we minus, we will get a negative speed. Actually, yeah, negative time, so we don't want that. So we're gonna say reject as time can't be negative. Yep, so that will just equal plus 196 divided by 1352 equals 0.1/2. U equals 0/2, T equals 2 hours. So take 2 hours for the police to find the robbers. Yep, and now we have the 2 hours as our answer. How long it will take? We also have to find the VC of the Coast Guard, which is just 10 over 2 plus 7 I plus 24 over 2 minus 7j, which equals to 12i plus 5j, which is the vector. That's it. Yep. Bye-bye.